All right, guys, truly excited. First of all, to have an awesome content creator with me right now. Welcome to the Thai Life channel. We're just going to be here at the convention show, just meeting other brands and really wanting to expose you guys to what the show is about and getting to meet people. This show is mainly about networking and getting to know people in the same industry as you. And I'm going to show you all about it. So,
unique products. We have a great team of educators, people that are always testing new products that are going to be up and coming. So yeah, and industry pros hopefully want to kind of innovate a little bit and launch something for the artists and also the nail techs. So I'm an acrylic expert, but I have a lot of people on my team that are art experts, pictorial art, abstract art, whatever, you got it. You know, from gel X to forms, Russian style, we got it all.
just got in. We just checked in. Got our pass. Let's go in. Let's go check it out. All right. So the entrance, they got the hair on that side, and they got the nail on this side. We got the camera. All right. So this is the whole layout right here. Look at that. That is the whole layout of the convention right here, y'all. So the cool thing about going to these shows, first of all, it is a little bit expensive, so you want to get your ticket in advance. But other than that, you know, you're going to be meeting a lot of distribution people. If you have a supply store and you want to know if this brand is worth buying, come to the show. This is where you're going to get the most exposure in the brand, the product, and knowledge. That's the main thing, is knowledge. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk, like, get to know different brands, different companies. All of this that I'm doing is just to help you guys expose to the brand. So if you guys are a nail technician and you want to try a certain type of brand, this is the best video for you guys. You guys want to tune into this video, get to know what is popping at the Cosmoprof. And the first thing we're gonna walk by is not polished. You guys
have like the doll collection. This is gonna be in like February, I think. I'm not 100%, but this is a dolls collection, and it's so
and is this gonna be the color that comes in this package, or are you guys gonna switch it out like just randomly?
It'll be limited quantity, obviously. When we release it, it'll be limited, but yeah, you'll get it like this. How it is, that's how we're gonna ship it out.
Awesome.
Dust powder, so it's gonna be a sugar effect, a chrome effect. You can use it as a
God, look at this.
Glitter too.
Look at this, y'all.
Dip powder, everything.
Dip, acrylic, sugar,
Everything.
chrome. Yeah, everything.
You guys gonna make my clients addicted.
Yeah.
Hi, Kim. How are you guys doing? Good? Amazing. Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bow, huh? Min.
Christine, let me do this a lot.
Yeah, Christine, let me see your beautiful nails.
What are you guys going to party?
Hi, how are you, Christine?
My wife, Tina. Kim, how are you? Good to see you. You guys just hanging out today? Awesome. It's good to see you guys. Nice to see you. That was a good video we did. Almost 100,000 views right there already. That was awesome. A lot of interaction, a lot of comment. That was good. He was good. Oh my God.
At least now you have some souvenirs.
I know. I keep watching. I was like, oh, this is awesome.
So how are you enjoying South Florida?
I love it. No,
This guy is so funny and famous on social media in the nail community. No, TikTok and Instagram. He's super famous and funny.
Thank you, man. Thank you for the introduction. I appreciate it.
Thank you. He doesn't use our product yet, but I believe after today he will use our product.
Tell me about your brand, man. Let's talk about your brand. I'll hold this for you.
I have a client right here.
Okay.
He's in Greece.
Okay.
He doesn't know about our brand, but he's about to open an account, and he believes in our brand, and he's gonna bring in to Greece and selling $250,000 to $500,000 in the first year. You see how
you own a salon or what?
I come from Greece only for this brand.
Yeah, exactly. See,
Really? And wait, what are you? A salon owner, a distributor?
I'm the biggest
Distributor.
company in Greece. I have
Yeah.
Lalu Cosmetics.
Wow.
And look at this. We never met.
Never.
We just shake hands 30 seconds ago. The reason why I feel so confident is this because this brand is so popular right now. The demand is so high.
Yeah.
He can make money. You can make money.
Yeah.
Everybody can make money from this brand. That's why I believe in him, and I will believe you will stick with our brand. How about that?
I like that.
How about that?
So one question I have for you is,
Yes.
you're talking about this brand being so hype. What makes it hype compared to the other brand?
What make it hype?
Yeah.
Because we are the inventor of Joex. We are the first in the market. What we do, we keep innovation. our core business mindset, innovation. Every month we're launching new product. Every month we innovate something. You've never seen this in the market. This is called ombre tips, right? We have Gel X. Now everybody trying to copy Gel X, whatever, right?
Right.
The moment they're able to copy, we have Gel X 2.0.
Wow.
This is 2.0. We have 14 sizes.
You're
evolving every single time, and not done yet. This year, this not even launched yet. In January 29, we were launching ombre tips. Ombre, he's a very professional artist, right? You do ombre by sponges, by airbrush, right? With this, you don't need none of that. You don't need to clean the airbrush machine. You don't need to clean the sponges. You don't need to throw it away all the accessories, right? You can use this and do exactly the same with Gel X, and you sheer color, any sheer color, and it become ombre.
The brush
You must come in Greece. I invite you in Greece.
I will, yes.
You know what is Greece?
I never been, but I will.
You must come.
I will. And this is your company in Greece?
Yes, this is my company. I have the biggest company in Greece with gel polish.
And
now I want to play.
What is your name?
Thanos. My name is Thanos Dracopoulos. This is my name. Thanos Dracopoulos.
Thanos.
So,
What I'm gonna do, Thanos, is whenever I'm in Greece, I'm gonna hit you up.
yes, call me.
We will do a content, if you don't mind,
You're my guest.
and we'll make it happen for you. It's nice meeting you, man. It's nice meeting you. Thank you so much.
One photo together.
Let's do it.
My team.
Let's do it.
Thank you very much.
Hi. No, you can be interviewed if you don't mind. What's your name?
My name's Debbie.
Min. Nice to meet you.
I know who you are. I'm a fan.
Oh, thank
I
you.
love it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. I just want to come by, give you guys some love, because I know you. First of all, I use your drill. Awesome, Manny Pro. Yes, awesome drill.
Yes.
You guys have sent me one this light to you, so I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Anything new that you guys want to share with the view, like what you guys are coming in?
We got a little bit of everything going on. Is it connected yet?
It should turn blue. Let go real quick. Yeah, it's not connecting. It's not
It's
connecting.
not connected. Well, this will be connected to the foot pedal. It probably just ran out of battery.
No, it's
Okay.
And does this need to be charged?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So there's no wires involved. There's no you tripping over every time you get
Okay.
up. There you go. So go ahead and twist it. And the cool thing, the cool thing is that let's say you only leave it at 15,000 RPM. Let's say about halfway. You push it down all the way. It's only going to go up to whatever you put it up to. Right?
Gotcha.
So it's not going to be
So-
too powerful. Not going to be still control the levels on it. And again, 30,000 RPM. A good size. It has the holder on it.
I like the holder.
Charging port. Yeah, it's great for
Because the old version is great, but there was no holder. Like literally, I have to place it on the floor, and then sometimes you pull the thing and it goes with it.
Or the holster too.
Correct. So good concept.
This is great, and it's a charging port, so you can even leave it on there, or if you. If
And
you
that's
take it
another
off,
thing. Sometimes we forget to charge our system. Having this port, easy. You know it's going to be charged.
Exactly. So that's coming soon this year. Later on this year, I believe next month it'll be available on the website. So keep a lookout for
And what's
those.
cool about it? A lot of old school Nailtech still love to use the paddle.
Yes. Yes,
You know,
they do.
it's
But again, there's no wires.
I
nothing,
know,
there's
it's
no
just out of your
so it's
way.
a game changer. Not around, hopefully.
Thank you so much.
It was great
Whatever you
meeting
need, reach out to me.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
DM me. I'm always
Yes.
responding. I'm always
Oh,
responding.
thank you.
I got
Thank
nothing
you.
to do.
All right, you guys have fun. All right, take care.
Take care, my love.
See you.
Bye. All right, guys. So we've been here for 2 hours now, and there's so much to look at. So far, we're just really browsing around the nail section. Right now, we are walking around the whole beauty convention just to show you guys a little glimpse of everything that's going on. So let me show you guys what's going on, okay?
Oh, you can have it, this one. If
Is
you
this the
want.
one that tells you like the steps, like which step to use and all that?
Yeah, they have the steps here.
That's good to know.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I have this?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Of
My name is
course.
Nicole.
Nicole,
Nice to meet you. Nice to
too.
meet you. Thank you.
And good luck.
Thank you. Okay, and what do you guys specialize in?
So we started out in 2018 doing eyelashes,
Okay.
extensions rather,
2018.
and then just over the course of time, we've gotten closer and closer. Now we've unveiled our waxing, our nails, and we've pretty much blossomed into the beauty.
So this company is pretty new.
Yeah, founded in 2018 in our owner's garage. Polish at this time is ridiculously good looking, right? Like from Zoolander.
Yeah.
So we've got our fall collection. We have our What Happened in Vegas collection, Grams, Rose Garden, Here's the Tea. So it's just a lot of fun things. So anytime,
I like the bottle design. I like the matte look.
So I love the look, but I love the names just a little bit more. So out of our Christmas collection, I just pulled one
Okay,
off.
okay.
You'll be sorry, like Yule Tide. So it's just a lot of fun.
And you know what?
things.
When it comes to nail polish, the name of the color is actually one of my favorite things because I love telling the client like that's the name of this polish,
Right.
and they're like, "Oh my god, that's catchy," or so, you know. All right,
Yeah.
guys. So pretty much this is it. We're finishing up all the nail vendors and all that, but one last stop. We're gonna stop by Nail Polish to say hi to the owners and network. So follow me. My man, Mikey.
What's up?
What's
How are you,
up,
bro?
brother?
How are you?
Good to see
Good
you.
to see you, man.
Did you?
Yeah, just yesterday.
What's up? Are we gonna do a funny skit or what?
What's up? What you want to do?
Can I be Ling Ling boyfriend?
You can be Ling. Oh, that would be good. That would be good. Hey, Kyle.
That's why we keep on pushing. Don't lose sleep, especially to all this nail right here.
Yeah.
It's like, what's next? What's new?
Because sometimes you can fall into the trap of
It
just
is.
like
It
focusing on
But
yourself.
I have one thing that get me out of the trap though.
Yeah, what is
So
it?
my goal is like, from very beginning, I want to focus how to, when I come up with a product, I want to focus on how to make the product better, how to cut up the time, and how to have Nailtech make more money. And then I have that 3 goal, and when I focus on it, it just helped me. Just like when I come out with color acrylic, when I come up with color acrylic, you don't have to polish no more, so you save a lot of time. When you
Right.
come up with color acrylic, you do better design, but you can charge client way more money,
Correct.
right?
Mhm.
And then when you do that nice ombre, it's super fast and easy now,
Right.
right? So with the new innovative stuff coming out, like the new Gel X, the new a lot more collection, I will release it. If you guys follow Not Polish, I will show you guys more. But that's the 3 goals that keep me going. Like, okay, if I come up with a product, how can I help the industry?
Right.
Yeah.
And that's why you guys have such a big support in the nail community.
Yeah.
Because you not only focusing on yourself, but you really 100% focus on the people who are in the industry to make their life easier and make more money.
Yes.
And they
yes.
see that. They see that from you.
Yep. I hope so.
We call that the not polish effect right there. You feel me, brother? You feel me on that one?
No, the reason why the real name is coming out, why we call it not policy effect, is like, we was one of the first people that come out with the color powder, and then people start using it. So that's why when we come back to do events and stuff like that, we just want to know like, hey, how is not polish affect you after like you tried the not polish style,
Right.
and we got so much good feedback,
Right.
and that's how the not polish effect started.
Good job, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your success.
Yeah.
And you inspire me.
Man, you inspire
No,
me.
you inspire me, bro. Like every time I look at you, I tell myself I gotta push myself harder. And to
Yeah.
me, I appreciate that kind of love from you, man.
You know why I said like you just like me back in the day, but before there was social media, before we consider ourselves as a nail influencer,
Right.
I was that guy.
Mhm.
I would go up there, I would be posting some funny stuff, right?
Right.
And then as I get older and older, I get so busy. I forgot to do what I like. That's being an influencer.
Right.
That's being on camera and talk, right?
Right.
And then you come along, I'm like, damn, this guy is so funny. It's like, so that's why I message you. I'm like, damn, you remind me of me back in the day. I'm not taking no credit or anything, 'cause,
No, he gets the credit because when I look at your YouTube channel, you know what I did? I went to your video. I went all the way to your first video, and I see you make that heart design with the little dent.
Hey,
You remember that video?
Yeah.
That is what makes my respect for you way more, bro.
Oh yeah.
Because I get to see your steps.
Oh yeah.
You started out with the get-go of
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yep.
What advice can you give them starting from the bottom to the top?
From the bottom top, when you first come into the game, right? You will idolize somebody. Everybody can idolize. Reach out to that person that you idolize, and then give them flower. Praise them. Like why you did that? They're not gonna answer you back. But don't stop. Just replying them. One day that guy will answer you back, or whoever answer you back, and then just be friends with them. And then after that, turn them into your mentor. And then that's how I got my step. Is before I was just a regular nail tech, and I saw this guy named the Nail Boss. He's a badass guy. Hey, I tried to reach out to him. He never replied back, but I don't stop. I give him a message until one day he said like, "Hey man, what's up? You consistent?" Like, man, finally you make a joke, and then after that we become like one of the closest friends.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Networking is big in this industry.
Networking,
It's
yeah.
the lowest cost of starting a business with the greatest return.
Yep. So that's my advice on how to better yourself, because that's better yourself. But on advice how to make money, there's so many type, you know.
Yeah, there's
But
different types.
There's all type, but
You gotta be innovative, but you gotta work hard. This man works hard. This man put in hours, you know, to create his empire. It doesn't happen overnight.
yeah.
So you guys want to know about his history? Go to Not Par's YouTube. Go all the way to the first video, and you will see how this guy is a young kid with a hat, just doing tutorial.
So this year, my goal is to, like, you know, when I make powder, I want to bring you guys in where I bring my big machine, how I make the powder.
I gotta make a trip to San Diego. We're gonna do like a nice tour.
I will give you the whole day of Not Polished life with me.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Bring out your damn whiskey.
Whatever you want.
Thank you, Mikey. I appreciate you, brother.
I appreciate
I do,
you, bro.
man. I do.